So hello guys, today I will show you how to fix YouTube custom thumbnail error. So at first you have to open YT Studio app, that is in full from YouTube Studio. In short form it's written YT Studio, so that's it. So open the YouTube Studio app and then you will find at the down of your video one option, that is view more option. So first click on that view more option and again one video will come, then click that video again and then click that video again and then you will find one pencil icon, that is editing option. So pencil icon, click on that pencil icon and then again click on that pencil icon and then three type of thumbnail will come in the down, but at the first of your left side one custom thumbnail will come. So that this means to you have to means you can add custom thumbnail also if you want. Then when you click that, then this will happen, so that one error will come, cancel on learn more, like that type of. So for that you have to go to your the Chrome browser and verify yourself. So first let's go to Chrome browser. So first you have to open the Chrome browser. Just open the Chrome browser and and then type here at the search bar, type www.youtube.com and then again you will find three dots at the side, at the right side, at the up side, means at the top of the up side you will find three dots at the right side. So at the go to the down, when you will go to down, little bit down, so you will find one desktop side option. Just click on the desktop side option, and one thing keep it on mind that when you will click on desktop side you will find you will find one tick mark. When you will click on the desktop side you will find one tick mark. If the tick mark is not there, that means you are not at the desktop side, so keep it on the mind. And then search again at the search bar, type again, means you do not need to type. So you will find one editing option, means which you have typed in www.youtube.com. You will find that editor means one pencil option. Then click on that pencil option and then type there. Downside you will find, so type there features, means type F features. So and when you will type the features, then one YouTube Studio will come at the browser. So just click on that option. At the downside you will find one option. Okay, so click on that option and then go to the channel, means type the channel and then type feature eligibility, and then at the second option, features that require phone verification, so click on that option and then verify yourself. Okay, okay, now you have to give your phone number and you can choose whether you can do by calling or whether you can do by texting. Means texting means they will send you an verification code by in message, in text message, and calling means they will call me with an automated voice message, means they will call you and they will send you a verification code in a voice message. This message will be sent to you. And now you have to type the phone number here first and you have to select your country. Now I am from India, so that's why I'm selecting my country, India. But you can choose whatever, which country are you from. So and now what is your phone number, and type here in your phone number now. and then click to get the code, and then wait for your message till it's come. Now it's came the verification code. So now you have to submit your 6-digit verification code, and it's done. Your phone number has been verified. Congratulations, your phone number has now been verified. And this is the way to do. So you can do like this. This is the way you can fix your custom thumbnail error problem. So I hope that you like my video. Then please give a like and subscribe, so that when I will make a new video, then you will get that video first. For that, what you will have to do, not only subscribe, you have to put the bell icon in all also. Then click on that all mode and enjoy my videos, and share my video to your friends so that they also know these things.